కూడా she was carrying my youngest baby at the time, and I got this COVID, and I felt as if I'm going to die. I felt as if I'm going, this ends here. And నేను ఒక రూమ్లో పడుకున్నాను, నా భార్య హాల్లో ఉంది. ఇండియన్ హౌసెస్, దే ఆర్ స్మాల్ హౌసెస్, అండ్ ఒకే ఇంట్లో ఒకే రూఫ్ కింద ఉన్నాం, కానీ ఒకరినొకరు చూసుకోలేనటువంటి పరిస్థితి. జస్ట్ 15 days ago, to that time, నాకు మా అత్తగారు చనిపోయారు. షీ వాజ్ ది మోస్ట్ powerful person that I ever knew, actually, in terms of representing God, teaching teaching gospel and the truths of the gospel to nurses, truths of the gospel to young people. And I have never seen her eating a meal in the night without sharing gospel to a person. ఏ ఒక్కరికైనా సరే స్వార్థ చెప్పనిదే ఆమె ఏ రోజు భోంచేసేది కాదు. నైట్ ఒకరోజు నేను ఆమెకు just wanted to give her a break, and I sent my mother-in-law and father-in-law along with one of my colleagues to Singapore, just to go ahead and do some chill out అని పంపిస్తే ఆమె అక్కడ కూడా సువార్త చెప్పి, మరి ఆమెకు భాష ఎలా మేనేజ్ చేసిందో తెలియదు, కానీ అక్కడ కూడా సువార్త చెప్పే భోంచేసింది. సో ఇట్స్ passionate, and she died, and I'm feeling like, Lord, what is this? What's going on? I'm working for you. I'm part of your kingdom. I'm your representative. You called me to be your witness in this world, and all these evil things happen to me. All these things happen to me. Are there questions like that, my brother, my sister, in your heart today? Are there questions that why this death? Why am I challenged with this particular situation in my life? And your leaders give up on those situations. Leaders that you trust, leaders that you follow, leaders that you want to bank on, give up. Are you walking in that situation this morning? I want to encourage you. Our leader, our God, our true King is faithful. His covenant faithfulness is much more larger than the leaders that we see, much more larger than people that we bank on. And he is right there as a help. He's right there as the true covenant faithful God. అండ్ నేను ఆ పాండమిక్లో పడుకొని అలా ఉన్నప్పుడు నా భార్య